hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro. The Redmi Note 5 sports a Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. Base variant starts at 10,000 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant, and I'm using the next variant with 4GB of RAM. Redmi Note 5 Pro sports a Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 508 GPU. Base variant starts at 14,000 rupees and comes with 4GB of RAM. That's the variant I'm currently using. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores of both the phones. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Both the phones are also running the latest version of their operating system. So guys, Redmi Note 5 Pro was just 2 seconds faster than Note 5, which doesn't look like a big number, but let's see how they actually perform when we test them side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and exactly how fast it is when compared to the other phone. Purely in terms of raw performance, Note 5 Pro has a better processor and it is definitely much better than Note 5. But over here, for the regular apps, we couldn't see much difference. So guys, in the speed test, Note 5 Pro is definitely faster than Note 5, but only by a few milliseconds for the regular apps and a significant amount for the games. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. By the way guys, I am using the 4GB RAM variant of both the phones and I have disabled memory optimization and MIUI optimization from developer options from both the phones. So guys, memory management is equally good on both the phones and both the phones were equally responsive while retrieving apps from memory. So in the memory management round, it's a tie. Just for a quick comparison, if you're choosing between these two phones, definitely go for the Note 5 Pro. For just 2000 rupees more, you're getting fast charging support, better performance, better cameras on the front and rear, along with portrait mode and electronic image stabilization. That's a lot for just 2000 rupees more. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag ASKGREEDYTECH on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.